how to install Webster Bank mobile app on iPhone. So just tap get and you will be able to install this app. Double click to install and you will be able to use it. This app is for Webster Bank clients enrolled in personal online banking. Bank securely from your mobile device with the Webster mobile app. Manage your account whenever and wherever you want. Deposit checks using the camera on your phone or iPad. Instant balance, view accounts balances without logging in. Transfer money between accounts. Add payees to pay bills quickly and easily. Find ATM and branch locations. So this is the app. You can see here. You can see it's just like a preview how it looks like. It already has a bunch of ratings, and then you can just open up and yeah. Okay, so there is some kind of maintenance. So that's what it is. But like if you're using this bank, definitely give a try to this app. I know like that banking on mobile seems like unsafe, or like, you just probably would trust either go to the physical bank branch or just use it on your desktop. But actually, recently, if the banking app is actually good, you can do like majority of operations just on your phone and your fingertips, and it's quite convenient and fast.